Hi guys, I miss my daughter. Long time not see her right now. Long time. But hi, how you doing? So today is Sunday and I'm trying to do something so nice, but it looks like it's going to fail because it's raining. I don't know. I was trying to surprise everyone with something, but I don't know if it's gonna work because the surprise is outdoor and it's raining. Look, that's raining. But anywho, we're gonna try to see if it will still work. Want to say hi, Mr. Franklin?
It's raining.
Well,
No.
it's
Okay.
my pants foot. So my pants foot not get wet.
Oh. Come over this side.
So awful. Every time I plan some outdoor thing,
Rain out.
it always rain.
Always rains. Watch your step.
I am tired of it.
You sure?
Cause yesterday was so sunny.
Sunny that box your blind.
You know, put the something in first, the bag.
Yes, I will listen to you.
So we're going to Mega Mart. Alright guys, so we'll see you guys when we reach to Mega Mart because that's our first stop. Alright guys, so this is the results so far on the road. So they fixed this side and then they have that side to fix the side that you see all the dirt's over on. Yeah, they're fixing that part, but this part is already fixed. This lane, this part of the road, which is the left, right? The left side of the road is fixed, the right side isn't. Ain't no
And this part of the road is fixed.
I like this song. It is Medicine by J the Kingdom. And the video for the song is very creative. Whoever was behind it, genius. You watch the video?
How was it?
You need to
It
watch
was a
it.
doctor's visit. Medicine. Medicine. Doctor's visit. She go to the doctor and then she get a prescription. She go to the pharmacy and fill it. Makes sense.
FYI guys, remember to get your necklaces from Style Forbidden.
Shameless plug. So where can I find Forbidden, Styles Forbidden?
On Instagram, and it's down below in the description box. In the description. Yeah.
Exactly.
I wanna know. Me no wanna. Cause a girl like me. We know, cause a girl like me. We know, my door, no. You could have pretty like. You could have pretty like. Hey. We know, my door, no. Alright, so we're here in Mega Mart now, and the thing about you being in Mega Mart is that you are able to pick up 2 snacks of your choice. Really? You can pick up 2 snacks of your choice, and then picking up our wine. So anything that you want, 2 snacks of your choice.
2 snacks, so like.
But I'm going to pick up a wine here.
So you can pick up any snack and come.
If you want, you can wait and look to go pick up a snack then, because we need to pick up 2 snacks too.
Alright.
Sorry. Alright, so where's the barefoot? Yo.
See it already right now when you tell me when it's.
Oh. Sorry. So yeah. So you can pick up 2 snacks. 2 any snacks you want. Or why you're different? You're asking from Bigfoot.
Bigfoot was the thing.
I probably need to take a 1 bottle of water. If you want water, I don't know. Everyone take up any 2 snacks you want. I have 2 snacks. Anything you want. My 2 snacks is going to be a peanut, of course, and that is cashew. So I'm going to take the national cashew over the sunshine one, because national made in Jamaica. Yes. Bias.
No. You support what you want support. Which is good. Not good.
Alright, snacks that you should definitely try when you're in Jamaica. One of those are tambourine. So when you come to Jamaica, definitely take up a tambourine and try it. Tell me how you like it. So it's your other snack. Guess what my other snack is going to be? No.
What?
High possibility. Could be a Pringles.
Does a Dorito and dip count as 1?
No, it counts as 2. I think I might take up a Pringles. So you won. I was going to take up a Doritos, but then I changed my mind.
Oh yes, whenever you love Doritos.
Yup.
Doritos and Pringles side by side. How do you choose?
Exactly.
How do you choose?
We're going to pick up a Doritos, a Pringles.
Oh, how do you make up your mind? Pringles.
No, I want a Pringles.
You want the light blue Pringles?
The Pringles that I like. This is sour cream. Oh yeah, my favorite Pringles, sour cream. So if you want to get Pringles for me, you can get the sour cream Pringles. My birthday is coming up. I accept Pringles for my birthday. Yes, that's how much I like Pringles. So Pringles can be birthday gift. Well, not from my family and not from my boyfriend. Definitely not.
What?
But from anybody else, Pringles is acceptable.
A Pringles?
No.
Yeah, Pringles for your birthday.
Come pick your other snack quick.
That's so uncool.
Evan, really?
Yes, want the banana chips.
When you take up a St. Mary's banana chips?
Come like them on your mind.
Alright. I guess they're made in Jamaica as well.
It should be.
Oh, and definitely pick up banana chips, but the cheapest one, if you find it. If not the cheapest one,
take a banana chips.
take the St. Mary one.
Oh.
Because those are Jamaica made. Yes. I need an apple juice, or no, I need an orange juice. I need an OJ.
Orange juice?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so we're heading to the fridge?
And then we think we're finished, so that we can make mimosas.
You know, sir, I will not listen to you again. I will not bring a cart.
But I told you to bring. I told you not to bring a big one. You can bring a small one.
But you don't matter to me. Cart, they make one purpose.
Look.
OJ.
I don't think we need anything bigger than that. Evan said I'm wicked.
Okay.
I tell them say something wicked because I make you carry one cart. But put that in a one. Put all of that in a one little cart, Evan.
In a big cart, yeah?
Yeah, in a big cart. Sorry.
That's the problem.
Me see it.
It has 4 wheels, so you push it around and stuff.
Okay, okay. But the problem is that you waste the cart and somebody else could have used it.
Because they have 50 million carts out of it. And they have like 10 people in the store.
No, there are more than 10 people in the store. So anyways, we're going to cash out and then we can come back to y'all afterwards. Alright, so it is basically time for me to tell Evan where we're going because obviously he's driving. So I have to tell him where we're going. Right? If only I could drive. Then this would be a complete surprise. So we just left Mega Mart. Well, we're leaving Mega Mart because we're still in the parking lot. So we're leaving Mega Mart and we're going that way.
That way?
Yes. So we are going to Le Parc.
Le Parc. Which park is Le Parc?
Emancipation Park.
Ah. Emancipation Park.
Why about drive up on you?
I know, so I'm gonna try.
Cut cross. You looking slow down? Fuck. No waste up for you. Go and push out already. You do the same thing where you say people always do and then stuck in the road.
No, because him don't come now.
So yes, we're going to the park to have a picnic. Which everyone always tried to plan but never never planned and never executed. So I planned it and executed it myself. Exactly.
Not exactly.
Exactly.
Never exactly. Almost.
Exactly.
Almost exactly.
But the difference is that he planned it for another place. That's where we're supposed to go. Hope so?
Oh, yeah. Hope Garden.
Hope Garden. And me say Emancipation Park. Free? Good little space you can go. And chill. Plus we don't even know if we can do all of that because it rained, so hopefully. So we are at Emancipation Park now, guys.
Let's go over this side.
Over this side?
Yeah.
So we're going to go under the trees here.
Yeah, under the trees.
Which tree do you want?
That side looks like it's covered more.
Here?
Yeah. Somewhere out here.
The grass is a bit wet, but the blanketing is supposed to be thick enough.
Should be.
So set up camp, sir. So we bought this, well, everyone bought this picnic blanket on Amazon, right?
Yeah. Amazon. The link is in the description below.
The link is not in the description below. Go on Amazon and look for picnic blankets. It's simple.
Amazon affiliate.
So guys, I don't know if you can hear me because there's music playing in the background. But I brought my champagne glasses to drink my mimosa because I did pick up some Moscato, the barefoot one, and some orange juice. So we're gonna make mimosas. Well, I'm going to make mimosas. Cause Evan make mimosas too strong. This is probably the bougiest picnic over Emancipation Park. I'm going to stop yours there so you can put more liquor in there if you want. What?
So, there is Emancipation Park having a picnic, which I was planning for the longest time.
Because you come and do it.
Toast to March 15th.
March 14th.
14 and a half. 14 and a half because it's halfway here, it's halfway mine.
No. It was the 14th.
It was the 15th, but 14. The 14th.
Having 4 years of
Everything under the sun.
4 years of love, happiness,
And children.
and no.
No children. Who not children?
So we can have 4 years of children.
Love and happiness. And lots of adventures.
So that's
Yes. Because we had many adventures. So we should have some more for this year.
hopefully.
Hopefully. Then we'll go real fast through here. Nuts? You want my nuts? You know some of my nuts? You want some of my nuts? She doesn't want any of my nuts.
Whatever, eh? What about the woman that come over here, so?
Answer what?
So if I feel that we have video something, I just feel it.
She might take a little time.
She's afraid, but she's not afraid. Too
She's not
afraid.
afraid now.
We have better so she come over here.
But she come over here. Oh, why?
I know. We'll find out soon.
The red light is trimmed down. I'm
I
sorry.
don't know. So we'll see.
Hi.
Hi. Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
I came over here because of the camera.
Okay, I'm a vlogger.
But I think there's a restriction. Because they have a camera thing in here.
That camera
I
thing.
think it's a restriction, like you have to pay. Or you can go to the office and talk to them. And I explain, you know, everything you would have to pay. If they pay the camera, you have to come to pay. That's to make sure you come over here.
Okay. I've done it before and they didn't have an issue because a security came to me and told me that before, and I went to the office and they said it's okay.
Alright.
As long as it's not for a commercial or any commercial shoot.
So what's your name? Because I always have to change.
KK necessary.
KK necessary?
Yeah. I told you. I knew that you promised there. I know that she should have come over here.
And she always on YouTube. Many persons are always on YouTube.
because she's just doing her job. Make cashew, please. So if I'm rude, you might eat film stacking and that's about ask me if me want my snack to eat.
That's how I fed you mine.
I didn't want yours.
You want yours?
Yeah. That's why
some good stuff.
That's why we buy snacks, different snacks, because me want different things than what you want.
But me have a mixture of cashew and other stuff.
My favorite nut is cashew. And Evan's favorite nut obviously is fruit and nut.
Exotica. It's not my favorite stuff, but I'm just eating them picked up.
But you always buy them.
Wherever me feels good, all the time.
But you always feel the fruit and nut.
Whatever looks prettiest at the moment.
So you deal with pretty nuts.
Be pretty packaging. Because there was missing one banana chips beside him. I take a banana chips. Mimosas.
That's good.
What? The outfit is matching.
Yeah, the boy didn't want the water for feet. Well, even if a boy or girl, they want the water for feet to her daddy. I should put the water in my mouth. The daddy mouth. Stop it down now. Every time they look me here, I remember why.
The leader does go. Very blanket.
Can you turn down their music now? Because all them are don't give me copyright. Inquisitive? Inquisitive brother.
I mind my own business.
Right. So I basically ate few of my snacks. Evan's still up on one little peanuts. I've had my cashew, had some Pringles.
You finished?
No, some still leave. But I'm eating a little bit of everything. Evan just eating one little.
Enjoy it. Yeah, you know,
eating one little exotica.
Yeah, but enjoy it, you know. You can't rush it.
That's where I made the spill. Thank God we didn't have newspaper in the bag. But we have to go wash out the blanket now. So Evan is going to have to wash the blanket.
Next week? Next month?
I want to go home.
Where? I have different plans for when I go home.
Who likes sour cream? Fingers.
Let's change the topic real quick.
Well, what Pringles is your favorite Pringles to eat?
I think...
I'm sorry that I'm talking with food in my mouth, but what's your favorite Pringles to eat?
Barbecue.
Mine is sour cream.
Original.
That's all in good for drink alcohol. He's an alcoholic guy, that's a joke. A joke, my don't. Nothing I'm saying is fully the 100% true.
You nearly got so.
Yeah. 70% goes slow. Is there a glitter on your mouth? I wish I could get glitter. I don't have no glitter.
You want to cheat them?
I don't have no glitter.
You want to cheat them then?
That is not glitter. That is shimmer from my highlight. I just meet the items before we go.
You have to enjoy the time when you, yeah? Enjoy the scenery.
I have 2 glasses, I'm still on my 1 glass.
Come on, we need to enjoy the time at the park.
I'm going to be right back. After me, time up on date, you know. You want to rush my date? Rush your date, you rush mine.
I rush it.
It sure feels like that. Much better.
You now look like you came down again.
A lot of people out here today though. Well, not really a lot, but a good amount.
People normally come here, come chill.
For Sunday, it's kind of empty. And that's because it was raining. I try to look comfortable backrest and you come put on
Yeah, the backrest.
Yeah, it's fine. Banana chips just bad.
Yeah, but you did the answer, dog.
Does it taste fresh because I eat the Pringles? Alright, try 1 Pringles and then try the banana chips. So the Pringles are so seasoned and then you eat the banana chips taste weird.
Just bland.
Should come and visit Emancipation Park. It's not always this loud. It's just that they're having a concert, I think, by NHG. NHG, don't know, NCT. Yeah, so they're having.
It's having their something, whatever it is.
So that's what's happening. That's why it's a bit loud. Definitely come to Emancipation Park and have a picnic. If you all want to have a picnic with me at Emancipation Park, you can also
call it.
Put it on the comments box and then we can make a date. Definitely Evan is going to be there because I'm not going to just meet up with anybody and then kidnap me. No, so I would not come by myself. I either come with some friends, myself, or we can do it with Evan. But no man now just come and text me and say, oh, let's go picnic. No, I'm talking about females, and you can invite your boyfriends as well because I'm a couple. So if you live in Kingston
I want to do a picnic.
and want to do a picnic with me and Evan, that's fine. We can have couples conversation. And if you are even older than us, it is even fine because why not hear from older people about relationship and all them something. We don't have more years in, so the advice is always helpful, and having a person to look up to and having somebody that can kind of push you through certain things and explain to you certain things before it even happens is sometimes good. Having the knowledge beforehand is good. So definitely do that. I'm trying to outstalk the music, but I hope you'll not hear because to be honest, I'd be so angry if you're not hearing what I'm saying.
I'm 95% sure that they're hearing what you're saying, and I'm 90% sure that they're hearing what I'm saying because
I talk louder.
I speak a little louder than you right now. But I think they are here.
If they're not here, we'll just put it down all of the rating. Right? Because we now waste my time.
I will just upload a video with the audio alone now. Oh wait. We're going to dub the audio and put it in a link somewhere up this side here. So yes, we're going to sit down and we're going to say over everything that we said here in this video.
No.
And we're going to have a separate video for it somewhere up.
Not happening.
That'll be awful. That would not hurt. For sure it's in my ear.
I feel like I'm going to flick but I want a wig. So that not gonna work.
Issues. Yeah, you
because the lawn just look nice. Something like I'm gonna do some backflips, but not with this wig, girl.
Yeah, because we're shake over there.
So did you enjoy your picnic?
I am enjoying my picnic.
Exactly. That's good. As long as you enjoy it, that's good.
Well, you should enjoy it too.
Yeah, enjoy it.
Okay. Because it's for, not just for Malia's hostel and
yeah. Yesterday I'm just like saying, you know, 1-8. I look 1-8.
Malia one?
Yeah, Malia be 2.
Yes, she was. But I remember when she was that young though.
Children when they're babies, when they grow up, I think it's that thing, because I like animals when they're small, I don't like when they get big. What's that called, people? Tell me what that means. Because they're so innocent at that age and then just loving and they can't talk, and you can't do anything with them and them can't talk. But once I start talking and start your attitude, I'm not for it. My niece that I have now, trust me, she thinks that she control everybody. Like Marshani controls all her cousins when she's around. She demands to them do this, she demands to them do that, and the same thing she do when she's at school. And then I think she thinks that she can do it with adults as well. And then that's how it works. And that is why I don't want to have. That's not the biggest reason why I don't want to have children, but that's one of the reasons. Because I can't bother. It's not like somebody can just shut off on them and say, go see your room or don't talk to me. And them able to cook them own food, go on the road if they want, and then someday. You can imagine, yeah, you can imagine, you just don't hate a character in a person and you have to end up turn around, bathe them, cook for them. No. Because I'm not the type who thinks that beating is something that works. I don't think beating a child is effective. I don't think so. So I would never ever be the parents that beat the child. I'd never be that parent, because to me when I was younger it never made no sense. So then my mother couldn't beat anyway, so to be honest, at least it's not like she couldn't beat. I guess she was afraid to, because she never wanted to seem abusive, you know. So the little tool that should have given me, because I only can speak for myself, because to me it wasn't nothing, but I don't know if for my brother or sister it was something. And my battery is about to die and I don't have any replacement battery, so hey, I'll see you guys soon. Have an end the conversation. Hi guys, so it is raining, so we packed up too. So I guess Evan got his way.
Which way?
Of leaving early.
No, I was enjoying my picnic.
I never said you weren't enjoying your picnic, but you never want to stay till 6.
Of course. Nice.
It's around 5 now, so we basically kind of stayed till the time that we wanted to stay.
Picnic is nice.
It's just that at least we got 2 hours or 3. I think it's 3 hours worth of convo. Mosquito ants bit me here. So they have pickle ants in the tree. That's where we were staying, right there. And this is the park. If you have never been to Emancipation Park before, this is our park. So we reach home now. About 3 hours or so. Watch a movie, and we are now in the washroom of our apartment. Everyone washing out the blanket. Everyone is washing out the picnic blanket because I spilled juice on it. And I just saw the juice dropping off somewhere nowhere just to see. Yeah, focus man.
What should I do?
You come up. It came up all over here, so. So we're doing that, but I wanted to close off the vlog because I noticed as of late I have not been closing off the vlogs that much. I just put one little note on the bottom, but I just feel like I need to close off the vlog tonight because I'm not close. If I'm not close it off tonight, now I'll close it off again because I'm not gonna edit it and close it off. So I'll see you guys. Well, hope you guys enjoy this vlog first and foremost, and we'll see you guys in the next one.